Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment we're going to cover what a reciprocating saw is used for. Okay, here I have one example of a battery-operated reciprocating saw, and it's called a sawzall. The other type of reciprocating saw is a jigsaw, and that's a smaller device usually used for cutting designs in wood or holes in small, thin wood. What the reciprocating saw is most commonly used for is going places that a circular saw won't. And for example, cutting out of old door frames, windows, maybe you wanted to add a window into a home, you can use it for cutting through the exterior wall, and studding, because you can put in different length blades that can average up 12, 14 inches long that allow you to cut all the way through the exterior of a wall, through the interior wall, through the studs themselves. And one of the better properties of a reciprocating saw is a variety of different type of cutting teeth and blades that are available for it. Most all of the blades have bimetallic capabilities, which means they're aggressive enough to cut through wood, yet they'll also cut through metal without damaging the blade. That gives you the ability to saw through nails and other types of fasteners that you normally couldn't saw through with a carbide tip without damage. Those are some of the uses of a reciprocating saw.